Hey everybody, so it's me, Officer Popo, your favorite guy, hanging out here in Philly, and it's got a real problem out here in the city. There's like 40 to 60 mile an hour winds. Right now it's about 15, 20. Gusts of 40, I should say. And take a look behind me. Yeah, that's right. Wear your mask, because the coronavirus weighs as much as, like, I don't know, steel or iron, and it just falls to the ground. Right to the ground. And wear a cloth mask, because, cloth masks are about as useful as having, like, a mask that's gonna hide a BB with this. Yep, that's definitely gonna hide the virus. Seriously, do some science and some research. Hold on a second. My mustache needed to breathe. Sorry. Cross-contamination. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I'm still okay. Jesus. What a crazy day. I hope you're all good out there. I am. Wait, let me get my mustache back on. Wait, my mustache. I mean my green mask. Man, I'm really losing it. Hey, look, I'm like Mike Tyson. It's half on, half off. Thanks, Mike. All right. Oh my God. Seriously though. It's ridiculous out here. It's crazy. Look at my windy hat.
Give him a lonely heart like Pagliacci, and lots of wavy hair like Liberace.
Holy shit! That's crazy. I'm going to fly away. I'm going to fly away. Alright, so one more little note of safety. Could you please not wear your goddamn mask while you're driving? You don't need it inside your car, or your truck, or your van, or your ice cream truck, if you're some creepy pedo with a mustache. Wait. Somebody else with a mustache that's a creep. Not me. I'm a cop. I'm just telling you, don't wear it in your car. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Don't wear it in your car. Freaks. Watch. You're totally safe. You're in an enclosed environment. Clowns. All right, I'm out.